This is Japanese spring roll, Harumaki! How's it going everyone? My name is Keita. I'm a Japanese cooking teacher in Australia. Today I'm gonna show you how to make vegetable spring roll. Each Asian country has own spring roll. This is Japanese style spring roll. It's called Harumaki in Japanese. A lot of Asian vegetables in the filling, and I'm looking for outside very crispy when you bite and very juicy filling it comes out. Okay, I'm excited. Let's get started. The ingredients is those one: carrot, garlic chives, ginger, cabbage, shiitake mushroom, bamboo shoot, sweet potato noodles, vegetable stock, mirin, cooking sake, soy sauce, mushroom sauce, and salt and pepper. Let's cooking! In the boiling water, today I use sweet potato noodles instead of rice noodles because of the sold out, but this is also delicious. Okay, first is cutting vegetables. Cut all vegetables into julienne stripe. Touch of oil and ginger first. Okay, next is cabbage, carrot, and vegetable soup. Shiitake mushroom. Keep stirring until the soup all evaporated. These vegetables absorb the delicious vegetable soup. And next, add bamboo shoot and garlic chives. Now water is completely nothing. And then next, noodles, soy sauce, cooking sake, same amount, mirin, same amount, mushroom sauce, sugar, and now mix. Okay, a little bit have a taste. That's good, it's already thick taste. And after this is water, potato starch. Make potato starch water and stop the heat and mix it. Turn on the stove, medium heat, really heavy, and that's it. Stop the turn off the heat. Transfer to a tray. Put it in the fridge. Cool it down. Okay, now it's completely cold. Spring roll pastry. You can buy this in local market. Place the filling. Roll and be tight. Roll it over and covered and tight. Next, fluffy, roll, flour, water, apply, close. Ta-da! 1, 2, process 3. The temperature is around 170. Deep fry couple minutes. You can touch, otherwise it broke easily. Beautiful color. Awesome. After nice and golden color, take from the oil and cut in half. Like this. And tomato sauce. This is Japanese spring roll, Harumaki! Looks amazing. Let's have a taste. Okay, let's have a taste. This is just tomato sauce. I love this meaty texture of the shiitake mushroom. It's pretty strong taste. Today I use sweet potato noodles instead of rice noodles. But I love it. I can't believe this is vegan. I was how to make Japanese spring roll. Try cooking this one with the Japanese finger food for your Christmas. See you in the next video. Bye. You like Harumaki? Yummy? Yummy.